Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Just back for another video. Today we have two jobs, maybe a sealing job on the agenda. We have a 3-car driveway and a house wash, and then another house wash, and we have to go back and check on paver sealing that we cleaned yesterday. If it's dry enough, then we'll go ahead and apply that today. But at any rate, it's a beautiful day here today. A little bit chilly this morning, but I'll take it. All right, we'll see you at the site. All right, guys, so here we are at the job site. 3-car driveway and 3 sides of the house. Take a look at this. Just got a lot of algae growth and build up on it. And the house got some paint coming off here. Basically, it really needs to be repainted. See, and this is part of the reason why you always want to make sure you're taking before and after pictures, especially on the before. Look at this down through here. A lot of that's there's some algae growth, but there's also a lot of paint missing. And we got the same up here. Sidewalk area. Looks like somebody was here trying to do it with a small, probably the homeowner. Let's see what it looks like on this side. We're only doing 3 sides of this one. Oh yeah. Down along this side. And we got this. All right, so that's our project for right now. We'll get busy and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, so we're all done here. Let's take a quick walk around. Sidewalk. Really nice. Probably kind of hard to see with the shadows. The side of the house. Remember how black all this was? What's left now is where the paint has all come off. And that wasn't us. The owner did that a while ago. But the paint is paint's all oxidized. They realize it and they're getting ready to paint it anyway. But the biggest thing was that black. So at any rate, so that's this job. So we're on to the next.